If you have ever wanted to watch Twitch on your computer or laptop but didn't know how to install it, this video will help. In this video, I will show you step by step how to install Twitch on your computer or laptop the easy way, no confusing steps. Just follow along and you will have Twitch ready in seconds. Watch till the end. Let's get started. First, open Chrome, go to the search bar and type in Twitch. You're gonna click on search, you're gonna click on this link here. You're gonna go to the top right and click on these three dots. You're gonna go to cast, save and share. And here you're gonna click on install page as application. And this is how you can get Twitch on your computer or laptop. If you think this was helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.